gonna get the point style figured out, and we're gonna also figure out the point, the label style. So when you make a point, it's out there, and you can see it, and you're not wondering, what is this point? It's like right now, if I were just to open this drawing, I would not know what that point is. So, many ways to do this. You can go, I'm gonna close this for a bit. So we're gonna go to point styles. I open that. See, it says standard. I'm gonna click on that. And it gives you the same thing. It gives you your properties for that point. And it says, it says name, it says standard, created by, this situation has my name on it because that's the way it shows. The time created, it was today. And then description. If you go to marker, it shows that the point is just the next. See the one that is highlighted there? I don't know if you can see it there. It's just the next. I can change it to just a dot. You see in the preview, I'm gonna make this a little bigger. The preview shows the little dot, but this is the way I had it, the next, right? And it shows right here how it's going to look out on the field. Now you wonder, well, how come the number is not showing, the elevation is not showing, the description is not showing? Well, we'll get to that. I can make this point bigger. See, it says option size. I'm gonna make it, it says in inches, I'm gonna make it a little bigger. We're gonna go 5 inches, 0.5 inches. It was a point one, right? It was a 0.1. So I'm gonna apply that. You see how it got bigger? Big X. And then the geometry of that point, it says each point elevation for the geometry. And then the display of that point. This is where you're gonna start getting used to these names, okay? On AutoCAD. You see these little light bulbs? It's a component type marker label. Right now we're on the marker. That's a little light bulb telling you that it's visible. And it's on the layer 0. So you got the component type, visible, layer 0, and the color. I can change this color so it's more noticeable. Just for the way I like to look at these points, I always go pink. Pink, they tend to show really bright on your screen, really noticeable. And then on my label,
I didn't find where to do the color thing. Where to select color, I'm on
so
display.
you see it says color?
Where do you want? Oh, in the middle, okay.
I gotta see how you were here, right? Standard?
Yep.
You already got there?
I'm there and I push display and I see the color block.
Yeah, click on the color black, and it gives you that. And then you can make it fancy. You can go and make it pretty.
Make it rainbow.
So what I did here is I made my marker pink, and I'm gonna go back in there on my marker. I like it also to have a circle around it, just because I like that. Well, you know what? I don't like that X. I like just that nice square with
Crosshairs.
the world. So I apply that, and then I okay this. Then you see that? Now that's my point. Look at my drawing, and I can see my point. Then if I need to make another one, just for the sake of this exercise, because this is like a sport, you guys. We're gonna do this and you're gonna have to go over it, repeat the process, make a couple points, and then export them. And then that's when you're gonna be hit with what's the file format that you want to export these points. So I'm gonna make another point. Typically you go to your home page and then you have points, right? You click on that little tab and then it says point creation tools. Click on that, it's gonna open up a little palette here that you can move. And this is really cool because you can make some changes here.
Sorry, what did you put?
So you went back to home, right? You have those spots up on top, those tabs up on top.
Yeah.
Go to home, click point. And then you have the very first one says point creation tools.
Oh, yes.
Okay? And then you get this little point creation tool. And this, we're gonna do this a couple of times, and then you guys gonna, at home, whenever you get time, go over it and
Looks like the
keep
only one's up
repeating the
there.
process. You good?
I think so. I found that email. I didn't see at the bottom.
It's got 3 gigs now.
Typically, all your attachments fall at
3
the
gigs?
bottom of
Yeah.
your
It's cool.
So,
That's the other thing, they don't last very long.
So, right here, the point creation tool, you see how I hover over this thing, and it says, let's say one thing, it says, expand the creative point dialog. Click on that guy, and the default setting to make a point is telling me that it's gonna go to default layer, and the default layer right now is 0. You know what? I wanna make my own layer for this. And I'm gonna call it, it's a new, I'm gonna call it class 19. That's just my layer. If I'm going too fast, let me know, I'll get back. It's gonna be on red. I got layer name, line, everything is gonna be on red. That's where my all my points are gonna be created on that layer. Click OK. And then I click on the plus sign, and now see how it's ready to make a point. I'm gonna make a point right in the center of that column. And I'm gonna put, name it center line column. Center line column. Because it's asking me, it says enter the point description. So I just put center line column. Enter that, and then it says enter the elevation, you're gonna leave it on 0. And then now it's ready for the next point. See that? And I'm gonna escape that because I just need 2 points for the sake of this exercise. So I need to get those 2 points into this guy. I want to get those 2 points into this guy. So this guy can execute, can stick out those 2 points. So see how when I hover over the point, and this is not the first time we're going to be seeing this, we're going to be going over this several times throughout the course of this classes. So I right click on it, you see how it's highlight it, and then you'll be like, well, what happened to the labels? We just did the point style. So let's go to the label style. Same thing. Go to the general and you see the label style for that point. Highlight it. We're gonna go to the label style, those 2 points.